Introduction. India is located at the head of the Indian Ocean. The Himalayas separate India from other countries, which makes India a subcontinent. Since India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh share several similarities, they together form the Indian subcontinent. The southern part of India is a triangular peninsula with its three sides surrounded by water. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states of India. The 82.5° east longitude passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh and runs midway through the country. Hence, it is the meridian on which the Indian Standard Time is based. Topic: The Northern Mountains and the Northern Plains by Shreya Patil. Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains form a wall in the north of India. They originate as a series of parallel ranges from the Pamir north. The Himalayas, the Karakoram Mountains, the Ladakh ranges together form the Northern Mountains. The Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges. These are divided into three parts: the Himatri or the Greater Himalayas, the Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas, the Shivaliks or the Outer Himalayas. The Himadri or the Greater Himalayas. The Himadri or the Greater Himalayas are the highest mountains, averaging over 6,000 meters. Example: Kanchenjunga of Sikkim, 8,598 meter, is the second highest peak of India. Nanga Parbat, 8,126 meter. Nanda Devi, 7,816 meter. Kamet, 7,756 meter. These mountains have large glaciers that are sources of the perennial Himalayan rivers. Some well-known glaciers are Siachen Glacier, Gangotri Glacier, the source of Ganga, Yamunotri Glacier, the source of Yamuna. There are many high passes found in these mountains. Some well-known high passes are Kakoram Pass, Zoljila La, Shipiki La, Natu La. The Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. The Lower Himalayan range, also called the Inner Himalayas or Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, is a major east-west mountain range which are 1,500 to 3,500 meter high. These Himalayas are the second highest range of the Himalayas. In this range, there are many beautiful hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital, Mussoorie, Kullu, Manali, and Darjeeling. The Shivaliks or Outer Himalayas. The Shivaliks or the Outer Himalayas are the lowest range of the Himalayas. They are referred to as foothills as they are broken and discontinuous. These mountains are still in formation and hence are prone to landslides. Between the Shivaliks and the Himachal range, there are series of spectacular longitudinal valleys called duns, which are rich grazing grounds. Example: Dehradun, Patlidun, Kothridun, and Pinjore. The hills in the northeast are called the Purvachal Hills. The Patkai Bum, Naga Hills, and the Mizo Hills are along the international boundary with Myanmar. The Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia Hills are located along the border with Bangladesh. The world's wettest place, Mawsin Mar, is located at the southern slopes of the Khasi Hills in Meghalaya. Northern Plains. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. These are extremely fertile plains formed by the deposition of alluvium brought by the three large rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra. The Indus. The Indus originates near Lake Mansarovar, Tibet, and drains into the Arabian Sea. The famous five rivers of Punjab, Chenab, Jhelum, Satluj, Ravi, and Beas, are its main tributaries. It is largely in Pakistan. It forms a delta at Karachi. Picture of Indus River. The Ganga. The Ganga plain is situated between the Himalayas and the peninsular plateau. The river Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier and drains in the Bay of Bengal. The Ganga plain extends for 1,800 kilometers from Punjab to West Bengal on an average of 250 kilometers wide. The rich alluvial soil and plenty of water makes it an important agriculture zone for growing wheat, sugarcane, barley, and maize. Picture of Ganga River. Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra originates near the Mansarovar Lake and drains into the Bay of Bengal. Brahmaputra passes through the Tibet Autonomous Region of China, the Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, and Bangladesh. Before falling into the Bay of Bengal, it meets with Ganga to form the world's largest delta, the Sundarban Delta. Rice and tea are the main crops grown in the Brahmaputra basin. Picture of Brahmaputra River. Topic: the Peninsular Plateau.
Contents: Introduction, Physiographic Divisions, Central Highlands, Deccan Plateau, Northeastern Plateau, Significance. Introduction. The Peninsula Plateau is a tableland which contains igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is one of the oldest and most stable landmass of India. Based on the features, it can be divided into three broad groups: the Central Highlands, the Deccan Plateau, the Northeastern Plateau. The Central Highlands. This is the northern segment of the Peninsula Plateau. It's located in the north of Narmada River and above the mean sea level of 700 to 1000 meters. It slopes towards the north and northeastern directions. Few plateaus in these highlands are Marwar Upland, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Deccan Plateau. It lies on the south of Narmada River and is shaped as an inverted triangle. It's bordered by the eastern and western Ghats and above the mean sea level of 600 to 1000 meters. It's subdivided into Maharashtra Plateau, Karnataka Plateau and Telangana Plateau. The Northeastern Plateau. This is an extension of the main Peninsula Plateau. It's located in the northeastern part of India. Shillong is the highest point of this plateau. This plateau has the following hills: Garo Hills, Hasi Hills, Mikir Hills. Significance: rich in both metallic and non-metallic minerals. Suitable for agriculture to cultivate cotton, tea, coffee and groundnut, etc. Rich in forest products such as sandalwood, medicinal plants and are home for many wild animals. Help to generate hydroelectric power from many rivers and waterfalls. Support to improve tourism by numerous hill stations and hill resorts like Ooty and Anaimalai, etc.
Topic: the Great Indian Desert and the Coastal Plains by Hamda Fatima.
So we have our first topic up front is the Great Indian Desert. Also known as the Thar Desert, is a large arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent that covers an area of 200,000 kilometers square and 77,000 square meter and forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is the world's 20th largest desert and the world's 9th largest hot subtropical desert. And about 85% of the Thar Desert is in India and about 15% is in Pakistan. The Thar Desert is about 4.56% of the total geographic area of India. More than 60% of the desert lies in the Indian state of Rajasthan. The portion in India also extends into Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana. This is the Thar Desert map where it shows the Thar Desert. This is the image of the Thar Desert where people are walking the camel. This is this purple line is where the coastal plains lie. This place is where the coastal this purple line is where the coastal plains lie, and this is the image of the coastal plains.
Topic: The Two Island Groups by Titi Harikumar.
The two island group. The major islands group of India are Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. Both are also Union Territory of India. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are in Bay of Bengal, which lies in southeast of India. They are bigger in size. They are formed due to the volcanic eruption. The sea around them has plenty of coral reefs. It has Barren Island, which is India's only active volcano. It erupted recently after remaining inactive for 200 years. Most of them are uninhabited. Some tribes here are very primitive and do not welcome visitors. Here are some pictures of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. They are in the Arabian Sea, which lies in the southwest of India. They are smaller in size. They are coral islands. They are not more in number and not much scattered. There are collectively 36 islands. Here also most of the islands are uninhabited. Here are some pictures of Lakshadweep Islands. Thank you.